What's up, CJ crew? It's your boy Chris.
And it's Jay.
And welcome back to the Chris and Jay way.
So today we are doing what is it?
The Nashville Hot Chicken Challenge. The Nashville Hot Chicken Challenge. If you have not been to Nashville, or if you've never tried Nashville hot chicken, I suggest you do it.
Nashville is pretty much known for hot chicken. So if you've ever visited Nashville, I know you know about
You gotta know about it. If you go to any restaurant, you're gonna see hot chicken on the menu.
Yeah.
However, there is only one good authentic place to get Nashville hot chicken.
And it's
Princess Hot Chicken. And I know you've seen it in the title.
Yes.
Look it up.
They have the best hot chicken.
The best. A1,
they're number one. Number one.
They're the originators of hot chicken. They only have one now. They had two, but now they got one. So, and every time you go, you're going to wait at least an hour.
But we got lucky today, and our wait time was only 30 minutes.
Only 30 minutes. Happy for a 30. I'd be happy for an hour wait. So, typically, we get like the mild, but today
only,
we kicked it up a notch. Well, we kicked
got
it up a few notches.
Hottest.
The triple X hot. Triple X hot.
Y'all, when I tell y'all this is about to be hot,
look,
like the people was looking at us crazy when we ordered it.
Look, the man in the line, he said, when I come here a lot, he said, I wish I could talk to you after you eat this.
Yeah, it's about to be hot, so let's get into it.
And we do have our essentials, but first you gotta like,
comment,
subscribe,
and
tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend.
To come check us out.
Wow.
Okay.
All right, so we got some water. We don't have any milk, so
we do have milk.
We do got milk?
Yeah.
Oh, we got milk.
I don't plan on drinking no milk because I'm a body this challenge. You know me. So let's go get the food, okay?
We got our food here.
Yes.
Apparently, this is the one that's supposed to be triple X hot. They usually label them, but
they didn't.
They did not.
So I think this is the hot one.
Yeah, and typically how they bag is the hot is at the bottom to on up. So this one was at the bottom of the bag.
So we're gonna see, but first we have to pray before we do anything.
Dear God, please bless this meal that we're about to take. Bless it as nutrition to our body and good for our soul, Lord. Bless those that had to continue to have, Lord, and bless those without to have, Lord, even if it means taking from us, Lord, and giving it to them. In Jesus' name I pray, amen.
Amen. Oh, I got me some cranberry juice. This is cran grape. Babe likes this one. My favorite is probably cran raspberry.
I can do all the cran. Cran apple, cran mango, cran pineapple, cran pink, cran ocean, cran vanilla, cran. Well, they don't got cran vanilla, but they do sound fire.
I don't know about that.
Ocean spray, hit me up. I got you. Cran vanilla.
They probably have it in like another country.
They probably do. They're lucky.
Okay.
So what do we eat this one that's not really hot?
Then we gotta try every one.
So I do have a question.
Oh, we have fries too.
Yeah, can we do ranch with it? Like, well, I know we can't, but if it gets hot, can we kind of stick my tongue in some ranch?
Yeah.
So we identified that this is the hot one, just because you can tell by, looking at it.
It has like a lot of sauce on it.
A lot of sauce.
A lot of sauce.
So, man, I don't think y'all can see it, but it's a little, yeah.
And they're whole wings.
Yeah. You can get,
you
can get whole wings.
You can get chicken tenders.
Leg quarters, whole chicken, half a chicken. You name it, they got it. So,
all right, y'all. We're about to do it.
And we gotta set a timer after so we're eating a whole piece.
I'm gonna try.
And we gotta see who eats it, who don't drink nothing first.
All right.
Ready?
You gonna take a small bite?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm already hot.
I think my fingertips burning.
Alright.
Ready, set, go. Oh yeah, that was it.
It's in my nose. My nose.
Oh, you drunk first, you low.
Oh. Y'all.
I'm not even gonna cat with you. I gotta eat a little fries, huh? My lip burn.
What's that? The triple X?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I can finish this whole thing.
I'm gonna try it.
The man said your butthole gonna be burning. He needs some milk.
I do.
Y'all, it's so hot.
Oh my God.
And you really can't enjoy it. Like, it's so hot. So I'm glad we have mild because...
Oh my God. I'm gonna eat the whole piece because I gotta beat you. But oh my God, I'm gonna pay for it later.
I'm gonna let you win back because
Oh.
I don't think I can finish it.
I should have set a timer to see how long. Oh my God.
It has a lot of flavor.
Oh my God.
I finished one piece.
Oh my God, if hell had a taste. Well, my lip burned. I don't even know how I'm gonna talk.
I only took one sip of my juice, so technically that don't count.
Bro, you lost.
My tongue is burning.
Oh, my nose right there.
There's some napkins right there.
You took a sip as soon as you.
Cause it was hot.
Oh, you know, if you blow in the napkin, it cools it down.
Y'all comment right now and let us know if you ever tried this.
Oh my God.
It doesn't have to be from Princess, but if you ever had, I can't even talk, Nashville hot chicken.
I feel like my teeth about to fall out.
It's my tongue. It's like on my tongue.
Your lip ain't burning? Man,
That's my tongue. I can't finish it. I'm not even gonna lie. I can't finish it.
I won't finish it.
I'm not. I lost. Go ahead and drink that.
Y'all, look at this piece of bread. Show the piece of bread. Oh my God.
Look at all that hot. Look at all that hot.
Oh! Chicken down! Man, can we get a slow-mo?
Y'all almost died. Y'all see my life flash.
That's why I'm hold on to these people cheese and chicken and catch out there. Woo.
Y'all, so let me not stand on the chair.
Yeah.
Let me not do that again. That was...
Oh my God.
Okay,
Y'all, give me a Team Chris. I'm gonna finish this for y'all.
I'm gonna go over here and eat my regular mild because I'm not doing
If I eat it fast. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Go babe. Go babe. Go babe. Yeah, I know his mouth is burning. That junk is so hot.
I finished it.
Good job. He took one for the team.
I'm about to go head on to the ER. I'll holler at you.
Yeah. He won. You got that.
That junk ain't stand no chance.
You want some more?
Man, I don't know what I need. That ain't need help.
You probably need some water.
I need some milk. I don't need no more juice, but I'll take some. Oh my God. Yeah.
My tongue is still burning from the one piece I had.
Woo.
So I know your mouth burning. You play too much. You go ahead and eat loud.
On the scale, from 1 to 10, that was 15. It had a lot of flavor though. I think that helped.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, I'm struggling. I need some milk. Need some milk. You just can't sit back down.
Mm-hmm.
I think I do. Ooh. Oh, I gotta dip my lip in the milk. Something that junk is. Oh, that junk working though.
The milk's working.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So if you do this challenge, make sure you have some milk. I couldn't finish mine. It's too hot.
Man. Y'all in the comments, say Team Chris. If you're at this point of the video, put the little alert emoji or ambulance. Oh my God, I can't believe you talked me into that. That done got you contemplating life. Man, I thank y'all for joining us on this one. Oh, excuse me. Oh, that burn. Oh my God, even the burp burn. Look.
So we're gonna go ahead and finish the rest of our food. I'm probably not gonna finish this one because it's just too hot. So if we're at this point of the video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and share our video, and keep coming back and checking us out.
To tell a friend. To tell a friend. To tell a friend. Hashtag Team Chris, man. Don't forget, put that alert emoji, man. Y'all know what I'm talking about. It look like this.
Alright, you guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys in our next video.
I bodied this challenge.
Good job.
You got crumbs flying.
Sorry, my hand is dirty. My finger's dirty. Maybe I should wipe my hands.